bakers, welcome to Global Bakes. My name is Tanya and today we're going to be making a yellow cake that is super simple to whip up. Hopefully you have the ingredients on hand and it's great for any occasion. I use this cake for stacking, for layers, for cupcakes, or even just for sheet cakes. This is a butter cake using a traditional creaming method where we add the butter and the sugar to the mixer first. You can use a hand mixer if you don't have a stand mixer. And you'll whip it up until it's light and you get a lot of air in there. It usually turns a little bit lighter color and gets really fluffy. This is how you're getting a lot of air into the batter before you add the rest of your ingredients. In a traditional butter cake recipe, you'll get most of the beginning ingredients together. I'll show you the butter, sugar, and the extracts and the eggs. Once those are in, then we're going to take our remaining wet ingredients and dry ingredients and we'll alternate them as we add them to the batter. And that's the typical traditional way that you would make a butter cake. So let's go ahead and get into the kitchen and get started. And that's all there is to it. That is the recipe for our yellow cake using a traditional creaming method. You can see that this cake holds up really well. It's got a very strong crumb to it, but it's also very soft and very moist. So it does hold up really well to stacking. It's great as a layer cake. I've even used it to carve before. I've done wedding cakes with this recipe before and I get a lot of requests for this cake. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think of the recipe and make sure that you give me a thumbs up on this video. Hopefully you like what you saw. Come back to see more of my videos, especially my new series, which is going to be the baking basics. And subscribe to my channel to make sure that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I'm going to put a link for my new Patreon in the description box below. I've just started Patreon, which is a community to help support creators to continue to do what they do. I know you probably know that recipe development and baking can be an expensive hobby. So I started Patreon in order to support the things that I do and to be able to continue to provide you content. So if you're interested in additional content that you won't see here on YouTube or anywhere else, then go ahead and check out my Patreon. Again, like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks a lot. Better get baking.